Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to track order on Shop app. So let's get into the video. So open up Shop app. So once you open up Shop app here, so launch your app and then log into your accounts. So once you've logged into your account, to track any order, simply go to the track tab here. So simply click on it, and then here what you can do, you will see if you go to my accounts here, click on the my accounts tab. Okay, and then if you click on open tracking sources here, you will see all the orders that you have placed. So the orders that you have made through Shop app, then you will be listed here. So you can simply click on that order and then view the tracking status or details of it. Apart from that, you can also add other sources or other platforms that you have used for purchase. For example, like Amazon, you can connect your Amazon here, hit on connect Amazon, and then all your shoppings that you made from Amazon, you can track it from this app here. Apart from that, you can also connect your Gmail here. If you click on connect Gmail, you can connect your Gmail, and whatever purchases that you have done using your Gmail account here will be also displayed here. So you can track all these in through this to this tracking option here. So all you have to do is simply connect it and then select the order, and then you will be able to see the status of that order and track it from there. So that's pretty much it is. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.